INFOrmed Beauties, your girl EuniyceMari here, and so today I have a haul, and we are going to be hauling. Had to think about it beforehand. The haul is body washes and one body lotion. If you guys have not seen my last haul about hair products, it was like conditioners and deep conditioners. I will link it above and down below. So pretty much starting with that video into this video, I did say that I don't do a lot of hauls. You guys know I am not one to go out and buy a bunch of stuff and come on camera and share it. So I figured that when I stock up, as in when I go to stock up for like 6 months out or whatnot, I will share that with you guys. And I feel like stocking up just works better for me and my beauty needs. So when I run out, I like to stock up on a lot of my favorite products and try something new as well. So that is what we are going to be doing here. Also, all links for every product that I talk about in this video will be down below. And if you guys have any questions, you can always ask as well down below. I have a nice, lovely, big ass box from Target, and I'm just going to grab these out the box and we're going to talk about them. So the first product that we are going to talk about is a new one. I've never tried this brand before. I have Googled it, YouTubed it, I've looked at reviews, and it seems to be a pretty good product. So I decided to go ahead and pick it up and give it a try. And this is the Alafia body wash, shea butter and neem vanilla mint, deep moisturized normal to very dry skin. It is a 32 fluid ounce. It is a very huge bottle, but I like the fact that it does come with a pump on top, so that it just makes things a little bit easier when there is a pump on top. A lot of great reviews on it, so I'm very curious on how I will like this for myself. So let's just go ahead and read the back of this. This is Everyday Shea. Ethical trade, handcrafted, no synthetics fragrance, vegan, no animal testing, paraben-free, biodegradable ingredients. Our soothing vanilla mint scent body wash is prepared with ethically traded, unrefined shea butter, virgin coconut, and protective West African neem for everyday use on normal to very dry skin. A lot of you guys do know I am more into natural skincare, so of course when I am looking for a product, I'm looking for a product that is more on the natural side, as natural as possible, okay? And you guys know, being store-bought products, it's hard to find that, okay? So to use, apply body wash to a loofah, scrub, or washcloth and work into a lather. Rinse thoroughly. Follow with the Alafia shea butter and lemongrass body lotion. May also be used as a hand wash for external use only. Okay, and the ingredients is what sold me as well, you guys, because you guys know when I'm looking for a product, I'm looking for a product that is the most natural as possible. So the ingredients are Azadiracha indica, neem leaf, aqueous extract, girl, don't know what that is, shea butter, coconut oil, vanilla, and spearmint. Okay, they have like the scientific words on here, and that is what I have a problem with pronouncing, but yeah, that's what's in this product. So pretty much it says beauty, equality, and empowerment. So Alafia pays fair wages, empowers women and families, and utilizes sustainable, well-crafted ingredients. Funds from product sales help conduct the following empowerment projects in Togo, West Africa, which is really good. So they have their reforestation, school supplies, maternal care, eyeglasses, school construction, bicycles for education. And that is another thing too, you guys. If you don't know something about me, when it comes to products, I like products that give back, especially to the source. So for example, you guys know SheaMoisture is the same thing, where they give back to the women who work for them in Africa. This is the same thing. They give back to where the resources come from. And that means a lot to me, because I feel like, you know, people work, and they are not given what they put out. They're just used to produce something, and it's sold here in the America, and people are just suffering, but they're working their butts off to make sure that we have the best thing ever. So not to make that too long, but I am so happy that I got my hands on this. I can't wait to try it, and there will also be a full review on this bad boy, so make sure you stay tuned for that. A lot of these things are going to be pretty repetitive. You've seen these in my other videos. You've seen me talk about these, but these are just my holy grails of body care. So yeah. Dr. Bronner's. Are you guys shocked? Dr. Bronner's. I have been using Dr. Bronner's for years now. If you have been rocking with me for a very long time, Dr. Bronner's is not a new member in the family, okay? And this is the Dr. Bronner's Tea Tree Pure Cast Out Soap. I like to use this like once a week or so, and this is pretty much my detox, my antibacterial, how I just really go in and scrub the skin down to remove any bacteria on the skin before I go in with my regular body wash, okay? It is very important, people, to make sure you're using something that's detoxifying because, or antibacterial, because a lot of things you come in contact with, a lot of sweat on the skin, and then you wondering why you have skin conditions and rashes and boils, and you have to really detoxify the skin and make sure you thoroughly cleanse it. So I think tea tree is amazing for that. I also like to use this for my hair, but I mainly use it for the body, okay? Didn't mean to get this small of a bottle. I thought I got the 16 ounce and I didn't. I got the 8 ounce, but it's okay because a little bit of stuff goes a long way. So staying in the Dr. Bronner's category, I also got the Baby Unscented Pure Cast Out Soap. This is another one of my favorites to use. Just randomly throw it into your skincare. This here is very moisturizing, and sometimes I will add my own essential oils to it or whatever to make it kind of like what I want, like if I want to add some lavender or whatever. So it's very customizable, which I like, but you can't go wrong with an unscented soap in your regimen. Like, it just doesn't hurt, okay? Especially to use down below, okay? I like to use unscented things down below. All right, so next is Shea Moisture, my favorite. You guys know I am a Shea Moisture freaking fanatic, but it works for me, and so we stick with it. So I got 2 of the Shea Moisture bars. I actually didn't know that I ordered 2 of them. I was like, did I order 2 of them? I did order 2 of them. So I got the African Black Soap Acne Prone Face and Body Bar. So of course this is going to be used for my face strictly. I got the African Black Soap with Shea Butter Body Bar, and I usually do use this on my face, but I decided to get this bar as well, just to know that I'm using something for only the face, because I think they are formulated a little bit differently. Oh. Yeah, I think they are, of course, probably formulated differently, probably formulated the same in a way, but I just didn't want to cross. I wanted to have something for my face, something for my body, and so I got them both. And if you guys have not seen how I make my Shea Moisture bars last longer, check out that video. I have a full hack on how to make them last longer, and so you're not wasting these bars because they're pretty huge. You get a nice little amount, so it is very important that you use it, and so I have a way that I do to make sure that I get the most out of my bars, okay? So I will leave that down below. Next, from Shea Moisture, I did get the African Black Soap Bamboo Charcoal Body Scrub. Now, if you guys remember back in the Dizazes when I was a Shea ambassador, I got this in the box and I really did enjoy this product. This product was really something that I enjoyed. It's just quick, simple. In the shower, I can scrub a dub, and it worked amazing for my skin. I am all about things, like I said, that are antibacterial, that are about just really detoxifying the skin, and so this has tea tree in it, and African Black Soap is great for detoxifying the skin, so I was all on board with this bad boy. So yeah, this one is the Bamboo Charcoal Body Scrub with tea tree, and it deeply cleanses and exfoliates skin with a detoxifying cocktail of ingredients. This gentle body scrub buffs away dead skin cells while also helping to absorb excessive oil and impurities. African Black Soap blended with bamboo charcoal helps balance and draw out dirt from problem skin, while fair trade shea butter helps moisturize and soothe, leaving skin cleansed, purified, and smooth. Okay, and pretty much you apply this to damp skin in circular motions. I also have a full video on how to use this. I will leave it above and down below, but I love this stuff. It is amazing. And you know what, let's just talk about something really quickly because I'm annoyed by this. Let's just talk about it. So a few of the products I've noticed by Shea Moisture are not filled all the way to the top. Now, if I can't remember, or if I know, usually they're kind of filled. This one's filled pretty tall, right? And I think this one is filled pretty tall. But the other one that I have, the shea butter one, didn't seem like it was filled. And this one doesn't feel like it's really filled. Look, it's all that space. Look at this. You have this, it's like that much space in the tube of no product. I know you weigh it and you know you go by weight, but I wish it was filled all the way up. Like, it's just like this much space of product, like this much space of no product. Do you guys see that? So it irritates me a little bit, but nonetheless, I'm happy. Shea Moisture's Raw Shea and Chamomile Argan Oil Baby Wash and Shampoo. You guys have heard about me talk about this before. This right here, to me, is one of the best smelling body products by Shea Moisture. Like I told you guys before, I would snatch this out of a baby's hand. Like this and the lotion, snatch them out of a baby hand. It just smells so good. It has frankincense and myrrh, and it's just chamomile argan oil. It's just so soothing on the skin. It's soft, it's gentle. I love this stuff along with the lotion. It is bomb.com. Just because it's formulated for a baby does not mean that you can't use it. Okay? Snatching it out of baby hands. Alright, next we're going to talk about the Shea Moisture African Black Soap. Yes, yes, yes. You guys know African Black Soap lately, I'm going to say lately, has been my go-to thing for my skin. African Black Soap I haven't had any issues with. It just does so much for the skin. It makes the skin look a lot more radiant. I love African Black Soap. It's one of my favorite soaps to use. Like, favorite soaps to use. So this is the African Black Soap Soothing Body Wash with oats, aloe, and vitamin E. And vitamin E, by the way, you guys, is very great at healing the skin. So if you've never tried vitamin E like on a pimple, try it. It will heal that right up, okay? So this is nothing new. This has oats, aloe, and vitamin E in it. I have been using this forever. It's one of my favorite Shea Moisture body washes, and so it is in the rotation. Okay. So the next body wash that we are going to talk about is the Raw Shea Butter Body Wash. Once again, this is one of my favorite, one of my holy grails. It is something that I always pick up. If you guys have been rocking with me for a minute, I think this was one of the first Shea Moisture products that I have tried. And ever since, it has been something, it has been one of the products that I've always had in my rotation. It is very moisturizing. It smells amazing. I'm currently using it right now. This is the Raw Shea Butter Hydrating Body Wash with frankincense and myrrh in it. And I just like the hydration, okay? This stuff right here, if you have dry skin and you need to get it together, Shea Moisture Hydrating Body Wash is it, sweetheart. Make sure you get your hands on some of this, okay? And the last product that we are going to talk about is one body lotion. You guys know I make a lot of my own body butters and things out of shea butter and oils, so I really don't buy a lot of lotions, and there's not a lot of lotions out there that really sell me besides Shea Moisture. So this is the only lotion that I purchased, and it smells bomb. You guys already know what it is. It is the chamomile baby lotion by Shea Moisture. You guys, this does smells like heaven. Like, this does smell so good, and it's so moisturizing, so moisturizing. But this is the only lotion that I really buy, that I would spend my money on. It's very moisturizing, very lightweight. It smells freaking divine, like divine. I'm like, why did you guys say this scent for the babies? Because grown women need this scent. Like, this is it. This is it. Very moisturizing. And yeah, so that is the only lotion that I ever buy, is by Shea Moisture, the baby chamomile lotion. That is it. Besides that, I make my own body butters at home, but I do feel that it's good to have a lotion as well, because lotions are more water based, so they give your skin a little bit of a dose of water. And the body butters, they're a little bit more thicker, and sometimes I don't want to be as thick. I want to be a little bit lighter, so that's where lotions come into play. So you guys, that is my complete body haul. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Make sure to rate, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff, and I will see you guys in a later video. Bye.